Have you ever wanted to use content AI in high level in order to write emails, create social media posts, and so on, but you wanted them to be written in your own tone of voice, in your own brand voice, and you didn't know how? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use brand voice with content AI in high level. Let's dive right in. Now, the obvious prerequisite here is to have a brand voice created. If you don't have one already, don't worry. All you need to do is go to marketing and then go to brand boards, and then you can navigate to brand voice. This is where you can create your very own brand voice for high level. Most of you already have one created, but if you don't, simply click add brand voice. Here we have a dummy brand voice where we've put in our brand name, the type of business we run, our website, email, address, phone number, and so much more information in order to communicate how our business needs to come across to our customers. Things like the tone of voice here are going to be really important, selecting between professional, friendly, and so on. This is what the AI is going to be using in order to write our content. But then it's also going to be using our target audience, our customer pain points, brand values, promises, what our brand does, and all of these other fields that we fill in order to create content that's on brand for our company. So how do we integrate this with the places that content AI can be used? Well, all we need to do is navigate to one of the places where we can use content AI, like the social media planner or the email builder. For example, if we want to go to the social planner, we can go ahead and create a new post, then click content AI, add a theme of our content. And then after we filled in everything, we can select our writing tone. And this is where we can select that brand voice that we just created earlier. And we can select this, add the rest of our information here, and then click generate. And then it's going to use our brand voice when creating content within the platform, which is really cool. There's lots of other sections within your sub account where you can use content AI plus brand voice in order to make really good copy, such as blogs, emails, websites, funnels, and so much more. So feel free to try this out for yourself, make multiple brand voices and try them out and see which ones work well for your business. Test your AIs against each other and see how they work in different use cases. And I promise you it's going to make your life a lot easier. As always, I hope you've enjoyed this video and thanks so much for watching.